Hello and welcome to Mind Makers. I'm Ritu. India has completed more than 22 years of its journey as a nuclear power. In 1998, India secretly conducted a series of underground nuclear tests in Pokhran under the leadership of then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In today's video, let's take a look back at how the Pokhran tests were conducted, government's effort to keep the operation secret from US intelligence agency CIA, and the cost India faced after the test. Although this was not the first time the country was testing its nuclear weapons, but this one was certainly the most memorable as it had really shook the world. The first successful nuclear test took place on 18th of May 1974 under the codename Smiling Buddha. It was described by India as a peaceful nuclear explosion in Pokhran under the leadership of then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Things changed in 1980s when Pakistan covertly started to develop its own nuclear program. India was then forced to begin its own nuclear program. In 1998, Atal Bihari Vajpayee once again came into the power with a vision to make India's own nuclear weapons. On April 8, Department of Atomic Energy Chief R. Chidambaram and Defense Research and Development Organization Chief APJ Abdul Kalam were summoned and given thumbs up for the test. The operation was conducted in such high secrecy that nobody except the then Home Minister L.K. Advani knew about it. Even Defense Minister George Fernandez was told about the test on 9th May.
There is a lot of pressure, geopolitical pressure. But he took a decision. India will go ahead with the test. To DRDO team and more importantly, Atomic Energy team. Okay, these two teams, they were myself and Dr. Chidambaram. We met him. He said, go ahead for the nuclear test. Vajpayee was responsible for transforming India a nuclear weapon state.
Vajpayee and his principal secretary Brajesh Mishra controlled the entire operation from the Prime Minister's office. After the 24 years, Pokhran 2 nuclear test was conducted under the codename Operation Shakti on 11th of May in 1998. The landmark event took place on the hottest day of the year when rest of the world was sleeping. India entered into nuclear era. The test consisted of 5 detonations. 1 fusion and 2 fission bombs were tested on May 11 and 2 more fission bombs on May 13. Shortly after the detonations of all 5 warheads, then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared India a full-fledged nuclear state.
Today, at 15:45 hours, India conducted 3 underground nuclear tests in the Pokhran range. These tests conducted today were with a fission device, a low yield device, and a thermonuclear device.
The Indian intelligence agency had been aware of United States spy satellites and the CIA had been detecting Indian test preparations since 1995. Therefore, the test required complete secrecy in India and also needed to avoid detection by other countries. Work was mostly done during night and the equipments returned to their original places to give an impression that they were never moved. Scientists would not depart for Pokhran in groups of 2 or 3. Technical staff at the test range wore military uniforms to prevent detection in satellite images. It is a well-documented fact that satellites worth billions were used to spy on Pokhran site. And all India had against them were the Regiment 58 engineers from the Indian Army. False names were given to the scientists who were working on the operation. APJ Abdul Kalam's name was switched with Major General Prithvi Raj and Rajgopala Chidambaram's code name was Natraj. As for the CIA, they were unaware that the test had taken place until Vajpayee declared the feat India had accomplished on television. The Clinton administration was left furious. It condemned the test and said it was deeply disappointed and subsequently slapped sanctions against India. The US imposed economic sanctions while some European nations and Japan halted aid. Pakistan responded with its own atomic blast 2 weeks later, ignoring appeals from world leaders to show restraint.
In spite of all the criticism and sanctions, Bajpayee had an answer for everyone. And over the years, world have also acknowledged India's success in conducting the test.
कि हम परमाणु हथियारों का प्रयोग करने में पहल नहीं करेंगे, नो फर्स्ट यूज। हमने ये भी कहा कि जिनके पास परमाणु शस्त्र नहीं है, हम उनके विरुद्ध उनका उपयोग नहीं करेंगे।
India is currently among the 9 countries who have their own nuclear programs.
For India, testing a nuclear weapons was also necessary for its persuasion of big power status.
That's all for today's video. Please like and subscribe the channel to watch more such content.